Good morning. This is Laura Machuca with EduSpark. Welcome.
Good morning.
We are ready to start. So let me introduce this. This is Laura Machuca with EduSpark. I'm going to present the EduSpark Kiddos online curriculum.
Good morning, ma'am. This is Anabeli from the district. I am the facilitator. I will be keeping time and giving you a 5-minute warning before time's up.
Excellent. Thank you so much. 2 minutes more.
Yes, if you could please check if there's anybody in the waiting room.
Excellent. We can wait. May I ask about the language of the presentation? Are comfortable only in English, or may I make transitions to Spanish? Let me know, please, about this.
That's your choice, ma'am. You can do dual language if you like.
Thank you so much. My name is Laura Machuca, and I am the presenter for EduSpark. This is the EduSpark Kiddos online curriculum for the Proclamation 2021. This is a presentation that you are going to have. We share with the district. So no matter that is a little big, we want you to have all this information with you. So I'm going to visit some of these slides. First of all, the EduSpark Pre-K product has two components. Okay. The first component is the online platform, which is a fully digital program which provides a skills-based learning experience based on 1,100 videos, interactive games, activities, and evaluations. Also, you are going to have teacher resources as a teacher guide or training implementation technology, and the phonics, phonological awareness resources as another component for differentiation. The second component is the workbook that is optional and is composed of around the 300 printed pages for language, phonics, as well math and science projects. All this material is aligned for TPGs, eligible, and is in English and Spanish. Agnostic to all devices, is easy to use, very friendly, and brings grading, reporting of tracking and achievement. So also this online product is a very useful tool for blended learning, and the uniqueness is the neuroscience approach for learning. We have 20 years experience using the brain research back as our foundation of all the techniques and methodologies that we use in our product. So we really foster or encourage the neurological connections to build a strong neuronal architecture for the child. So we help them in their brain development. Well, there are 10 reasons to have pre-K in your districts. You are looking for dual language, bilingual component, español, inglés, tú lo vas a tener en una forma auténtica y es muy fácil de que esté conectado todo lo inglés con lo español. Brain Research Foundation to nurture child's brain development for language, music, cognitive skills. All the foundations of their development are supported on 5 senses, movement, and language skills. So music is a very important component for us to develop phonological awareness, as well all the videos and the material we provide with a natural process to develop language, and then the phonological awareness to help 3-year and 4-year-old students that are having some low development in their first early years. They need some help, and we provide a very, very effective way on that. The material is very engaging, is meaningful, and student driven, because we provide a lot of hands-on activities to support not only the oral language development. We support the creativity, the science, math, social emotional learning, fine motor skills through hands-on activities and projects, more than 600 printable activities. As well, this neuroscience approach for learning is very useful with the adaptive learning tools that the platform provides to support all your populations in a parallel way that teachers didn't need to prepare specific or special materials for them. We provide all these in a very easy tool named Adaptive Learning to create learning paths. We are going to show that. This platform is responsive to any device and has a online with offline functionality, tracking, reporting, and analytics, not only for the usage or on the material, also for tracking and the observations for the students. You are going to have a very easy to use tracking test or evaluations. All this is appropriate for their age, and we promote the oral language, we promote the academic vocabulary, and all this we provide in a context to help students understanding the big picture. So with this, all this become a strong background knowledge for the students. The teachers are going to have a very easy to use tool that also is very friendly for students and parents for successful blended learning. We need to be prepared and be very flexible for all situations. All this helps to build and support learning community for parental involvement and family engagement. They love the material and they really like to support their children using these easy to follow resources. As well, all these are provided with training support as you need, because any teacher, no matter if it's a new teacher, do not require preparation and technology skills. It's very easy to use, and also it's very flexible to adapt to your needs with different evaluation. You can create your own evaluations. You can create also additional to our content. You can upload any other content, so it's very flexible. And finally, the platform by itself integrates more than 1,500 different apps. It has a very, very open way to integrate Zoom, Teams, Gmeet, and many others, as well offers the single sign-on, the security, the privacy that standards that you need, and the security in a US Amazon cloud for the IT people. Well, all this material has different videos. The videos inside are going to have rhyming words, patterns, visual and auditory stimuli, synonyms, memory and matching games. And also the videos include flashcards with different techniques that develop the visual and perceptual skills, as well language and phonological awareness at the same time for having the big picture for understanding. That's the main thing we provide. Well, this presentation is going to help you to know that the website has all the information you need. So only make a click in website and you are going to open the website presentation. Let me know if you are watching that website. eduspark.com is the website where you can find all the information you need, very easy to follow. This is a very good video I suggest to open as well when you visit the information. This is a 30-minute that you need to watch for sure. All this explain how to use the product and all these techniques, and show a lesson demonstration. About the features of the platform, you can visit more here, and the sample of the lessons. Some of different samples, but specifically the workbooks. You can open the workbook anytime for English or Spanish, and you can watch the kind of printable activities, but this is a complete workbook if you prefer having this. All this is about to reinforce all the material we provide in the product. Let me show again the presentation to confirm that you are going to have as well in the website and in the presentation, the video for how to navigate the product and the credentials for going inside, not only in a personal computer, also for mobile devices. These are the 3 easy steps to having the product. So let me show the product now. And you only need to go for that user credentials, and you have Texas Teacher. This is a demo for the English part, and I can open here the other product, for example, the Spanish part, EduSpark. Let me show how easy it is to click on that link, open it, and then the credentials that we provide for Spanish, and you have both products. So let me show both products at the same time to show how integrated are both in a very easy way. Okay, here you can see the left part is the Spanish and the right side is the English. So the product can open lesson 1. Both are the same content. The difference is only the language and for sure some adaptations, but español es totalmente auténtico. Podemos abrir en español, vamos a la escuela, encontraremos material de español, de ciencias, de matemáticas, de música, habilidades de arte y motricidad de desarrollo físico en ambos idiomas. Both language the same. Opening the product, vamos a la escuela, you are going to check that you have a pre-test video, memory game, a matching game, a workbook, and a final evaluation of the vocabulary. Teachers can hide or show the content, so it's very easy to, it's very flexible to determine if you want to give the given to the students, if it is required, if you can hide, and the student are not having the content. So it's very flexible as your needs. And also you can add your own resources. Well, if you check for each one of these content, you can open reanudar actividad anytime, take activity or retake activity is going to offer you the keyboard instructions for
Escucha con
accessibility.
atención y selecciona la imagen correcta.
And then-
Selecciona la imagen que representa campana.
Because this is a pre-test,
Correcto.
you can,
Selecciona la imagen que representa
mistake.
reloj.
and the platform
Incorrecto.
is going to track all these results. So, for example, you can open libro de calificaciones or gradebook. So all the student tracking is here, and you can check for the analytics on this, or you can print in Excel file. Also, you can check for the dominio or mastery. This is an important tool to track the TPGs, what TPG is related with each content. So this is having, remembering all the TPGs. So it's a big document here. And then the students are going to have results about these TPGs. So you can relate not only the content that we relate with these TPGs, you can relate all the resources to the TPGs you are going to evaluate, and these are going to give you a complete report on this. Also, you can, in the upper part, you can click competencias, or here competencies, and all these competencies are easy to track. For example, you need some permission. Let me show again some lesson.
You have 5 minutes to go, ma'am.
Okay, well, so all these you can follow up with your own. So let me tell you that the frequent questions is, we have printable material for language, science, math, and you have this answer here. As well, we have the workbooks. We don't provide games or manipulatives. The phonological awareness, we give you through art projects and fine motor skills in the teacher resources and in the language communication. So let me show you the teacher resources here. When you go for the home, in the upper part, see enrolled, here are the teacher resources. So you are going to have any of the training, implementation, technology, and as well all these useful resources that you can share, creating learning paths. How easy is to create a learning path? All these are the forum has the online help. Any word that you need to filter, like for example, video conference, you can have immediately answers. Anything you need are answering here, but also in the enrolled, the teacher resources, you can share this with a learning path. So let me show, after the 18 lessons, here is an example of creating a learning path, providing a specific resource you choose around the 1100 that we have. So I'm more than happy to answer your questions. This presentation is going to be with the districts. You can check videos on how a lesson is provided to support whole group class, learning centers, independent practice, or this is a real example of a remote real lesson in Spanish with kids of 4 or 5 years. And as well, you are going to have some testimonials and all the information for the child's brain development, and that supports or give our foundations, and how to navigate in the product, as well the features of the platform, the different grading reports that you can have, also by TPGs, also by usage, time, daily activity, and finally the implementation. Professional development and support are included in the way that you become good users and have a successful blended practice. You are invited to open microphone or to write the questions. The QR codes, okay, we're going to share the QR codes, and I don't see any question. Let me clarify, this is not a complete system with textbooks and different manipulatives. So this is a very flexible solution for blended learning to be prepared and to be successful, to have a parallel, also to support and reinforce our language, phonological awareness, specific to enrich the vocabulary, and having a lot of understanding for all the concepts, the main concept that you are teaching daily to your students. So it's a real way to support child's brain development in a meaningful way, in a fun way, and an effective way that do not take all day. This can take half hour, an hour, or the time you have for technology or for differentiation. Thank you so much, and we are more than happy to present anytime again.